Is your Windows 11 Smart App Control grayed out and refusing to turn on or off? Many users believe the only solution is reinstalling Windows. But what if I told you there's a safe hidden method to control it instantly without reinstalling anything? In today's step-by-step guide, I will show you how to enable, disable or switch Smart App Control to evaluation mode using a simple registry method. So let's get started. Smart App Control is a built-in Windows 11 security feature that acts like a digital gatekeeper. It blocks untrusted, unsigned, or potentially harmful apps using Microsoft cloud-based security intelligence. Normally, this feature is only configurable after a clean Windows installation, and once turned off, you typically can't turn it back on without reinstalling. After the recent February Windows update, some reports suggested Microsoft added an option to freely control SSE. However, on certain systems, it still appears grayed out, meaning manual control is not available yet. So until Microsoft fully releases that features, here's a reliable workaround. So first, press Windows plus R. Now type regedit and then press enter. Now go to HK local machine. Then go to system. After that, go to current control set. Next, go to control. After that, CI. And then go to policy. Now on the right hand panel, look for verified and reputable policy state. You should see a numbered value assigned to it. Double click the entry. Now you can change its value. Value 0 means off, value 1 is on, and value 2 is evaluation mode. Enter 1 and click OK. Now open settings. Then go to privacy and security. Next, Windows security. After that, app and browser control. And now go to Smart App Control. Now you will see it enabled. If you turn it off from Windows security settings, it will become grayed out again. To change it afterward, you must return to Registry Editor and modify the value manually. If you want SSE to intelligently decide protection level, go back to the same registry path and change the value to 2 and then click OK. Now close Windows Security if open and reopen Windows Security. Then go to App and Browser Control. Now it will show evaluation mode. In this mode, Windows learns your usage and automatically decides whether to enable protection without interrupting your tasks. On mode, best security protection. Evaluation mode, balanced performance plus protection. And off mode, maximum performance but less security. For gamers or heavy users, evaluation mode is often the best middle ground. Otherwise, changes may not apply correctly. Until Microsoft officially unlocks full Smart App controls for all users. This registry method lets you change SSE status instantly, avoid reinstalling Windows, customize security versus performance balance. Note: always close Windows security before editing registry values for this setting. Otherwise, changes may not apply correctly. If this guide helped you control Smart App Control without reinstalling Windows, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more powerful Windows optimization tips. Thanks for watching.